Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. I just got the Vega rear diffuser, just came in. Just putting it together now. So here it goes. So I got these in right now. Just gotta put this one in. Then I gotta put these. But I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. And then I'll show on how I'm gonna do it. I'll show on how I'm gonna do it when I install it onto the car. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm using the smaller ones right here, and then I got the nuts right there. But here goes two of them already on. Let it focus. There we go, right here. And then I gotta put these on. One's gonna go here, another one's here, another one's on the other side of this, and then right here. Yeah. Alright, I'll show you guys how it looks when these four are on. So this is how it looks with all of them on. Let me turn it around. So it's gonna be, basically it's gonna look like, it'll be like this. Now I just gotta figure out those things and to put it on the car. Let's see how it'll look. So this is like day 2 or 3 of having actually installed the rear diffuser from Vegamotorworks. I hit like a little, I'll show you guys, but I hit like a little hill thingy where I live. This kind of bent a little bit. Then I had to take one of the fins off because this bent also, which I can get replacements for it, but I only need one, but they should be 6 of them. Then this right here, my bumper came out, so I don't know how to get this back. Maybe, yeah, it's a little dirty, but anyways, like, that's how it's supposed to be, as you can see with this side, nothing to this side. See? And that hill thingy right here. I was backing up and forgot it was even there, or didn't think, I kind of went sideways, so I didn't think I would actually freaking hit it, but I did. So that's what caused it. Didn't mess anything else up. Side skirts, nope. Front lip, good. So let's try and bend it back. I'll show you guys on how it comes out, and we'll see. So I'll be right back with you. Hammered it, got it a little bit straight. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's way better than it was before. So we're gonna go put it back on and see how it looks. So, all right, so I tried getting this out by like holding it for a little bit. I mean, it did it kind of. Maybe I gotta do it, you know, a little bit more. Damn, I need to wash this thing. But so it's like right here, Like, I know this comes out a little bit, but that's been there. But then, if you look inside, I think it's... Let's see if I can get it in there. There we go. Those two clips, I don't know if there's supposed to be a screw in them, but it's like, when I push it, like, watch. Let's see if I can get it to focus. It moves, but it doesn't seem like it clips to anything. I don't know. It's whatever. I mean, it popped out a little bit. It's probably not even noticeable. Like, it's a little bit bent. Of course, couldn't get it perfect, but at least it's, you know, not as bent as it was before. So, yeah. Right there, subscribe.